Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off showing notifications on the lock screen in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So where to look for this function and how to disable it. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for notifications options menu. Then here we have notifications on lock screen. When we tap this menu here, we have three options. So show conversations default and silent, hide silent conversations, etc. And don't show any notifications on the lock screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.